Welcome back to Hiking with Kathleen. In today's video, I'm out on a trail, actually a series of trails this week, and just excited to sort of be back in my element where I'm out here by myself, being one with nature. And this is where I've had a chance to see incredibly early signs of spring. I saw a chipmunk. I didn't get to film it, but those are coming out of their torpid state or semi-hibernation. So what's happening is the temperatures went through a bit of a melt a couple of days ago. Now we're down to about minus 13 degrees Celsius. It's certainly not spring yet, but we're at the very tail end of February. And so for that reason, I'm along the Thames River. You see that the river is wide open. So this is what will attract all kinds of waterfowl in this area. But I want to bring you along on this journey and show you the beauty of being out here, dressed properly, enjoying the last little bit of winter before we get into the most exciting time of the year, which lies ahead of us in the spring. So stay tuned and stay with me. I love being the first one out on the trail in the morning after a light snowfall. Sometimes I'm the one making new tracks. Other times, I'm observing those tracks that have been laid before me, like those from this coyote. Well, I certainly got my steps in these past 2 days out on the hiking trail, about 8.5 kilometers each day. Time to head home for a tea with Shannon to catch up on our respective days. It turns out that our winter travels to Muskoka just a few weeks ago and Niagara Falls earlier this month left us feeling very excited to get on with our spring camping season. We're all booked for just over 6 weeks of camping from May through the end of June. The bikes and the kayaks are going to get loaded along with our other adventure gear. Thanks for watching today's video, and a special thank you to the many new subscribers. I'll see you out on the trail again for a new upload each Tuesday morning on YouTube. See you then.